people giving their power away unnecessarily, and giving their power away at any point is unnecessary. And how do we do that? We do that in 10 different ways to the power of 1,000, seen and unseen. And how does it show up, and what's the ripple of impact in our life as a result of giving our power away? Is that we live outside of ourselves. We seek to follow the herd. We seek to wait and use time as an excuse to why we shouldn't do something or why we should do something. We seek to disqualify our connection to the divine, to information that we receive from a field far greater than we can conceptualize. But we push it down and we say, that's not for me, or I must be crazy, or I didn't hear it right. So making a stand against the loss of personal power does not mean rising up against governments. It doesn't mean trying to pull down economic, religious, educational systems. For some, that's their function. But for me, it's actually to stand with 2 feet firmly planted in the soil and embody everything that you are beyond who you have always believed yourself to be. And beyond, and embodying who you really are cannot be contained in 1,000 suns, which means that wherever you rest your attention and give energy towards, you can and do create. So stop playing the game of the victim. Stop playing the messiness of complexity. Just wake up to your sovereignty, your God-given right, your divine right, your birthright to experience the most incredible existence in business, in life, in partnership, in health, whatever it is. Wherever your eye rests and whatever you give imagination and attention towards, you create.